Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing industries, enhancing decision-making, and automating complex tasks. This guide provides a robust understanding of AI and machine learning, covering their principles, applications, and challenges. What is artificial intelligence? AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Types of AI. 1. Narrow AI or weak AI. This is designed for specific tasks without generalizing beyond them, for example, virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. 2. General AI or strong AI. This is a theoretical AI with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of reasoning and problem-solving across multiple domains. 3. Super AI. This is a futuristic concept where AI surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, leading to self-awareness and independent decision-making. Core AI technologies include machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and expert systems. Machine learning enables systems to learn from data and improve performance over time. Natural language processing (NLP) helps AI understand, interpret, and generate human language. Computer vision allows AI to interpret and process images and videos. Robotics offers an AI-driven automation of the physical tasks. Expert systems are AI-based decision-making frameworks. Now let's explore machine learning. What is machine learning? This is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that can learn patterns from data and make predictions without explicit programming. Types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning is a model that is trained on labeled data or input-output pairs. Some examples are spam detection, medical diagnosis, and predictive analytics. 2. Unsupervised learning. This model identifies patterns in unlabeled data. Examples are customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and recommendation systems. 3. Reinforcement learning. This model learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback. Examples are robotics, game AI, and self-driving cars. Common machine learning algorithms. Linear regression. This predicts continuous values. Logistic regression, which is used for binary classification problems. Decision trees and random forests are tree-based methods for classification and regression. Support vector machines, SVMs, effective for high-dimensional data. Neural networks and deep learning. These are models inspired by the human brain, used in image recognition and NLP. Applications of AI and ML. 1. Healthcare, disease diagnosis, personalized treatment, robotic surgeries. 2. Finance fraud detection, risk assessment, algorithmic trading. 3. Retail and e-commerce, customer recommendation engines, inventory management. 4. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars, traffic optimization. 5. Cybersecurity, threat detection, behavioral analysis, data encryption. 6. Manufacturing, predictive maintenance, supply chain optimization. 7. Entertainment, AI-generated content, video, and music recommendations. Challenges in AI and ML. 1.
Bias in AI algorithms. AI models can inherit biases from training data, leading to unfair decisions. The solution is to implement bias detection tools and diverse data sets. 2. Data privacy and security. AI requires vast amounts of data, raising privacy concerns. The solution is to implement secure data handling practices and compliance with regulations. For example, GDP or CCPA. 3. Interpretability and explainability. AI decisions can be complex and difficult to understand. The solution is to develop explainable AI models. 4. High computational costs. Training deep learning models requires substantial computing power. The solution is to optimize models and use cloud computing.
Future of AI and ML. AI ethics and governance, ensuring responsible AI use with regulations and guidelines. Advancements in NLP, more human-like conversational AI models. AI and edge computing, bringing AI processing closer to devices for faster decision-making. Quantum AI, leveraging quantum computing to solve complex AI problems. In conclusion, AI and machine learning are transforming industries by automating processes, enhancing decision-making, and improving efficiency. As the field evolves, it is essential to address ethical challenges, ensure transparency, and continue innovating responsibly. A strong understanding of AI and machine learning principles will prepare individuals and businesses to leverage these technologies for the future.